If you've always dreamed of living posh, then Rise on Chauncey, West Lafayette is where your heart's craving comes true. These cozy studios and stylish 1 to 4 bedroom apartments feature a cozy bed for restful nights, sweet study nook for productivity, dishwasher to sort your dishes, and washer plus dryer for hassle-free laundry days. Hit your fitness goals in the 24-hour gym, or get stretching in the yoga room. Study smarter in the cyber lounge or other shared workspaces, then recharge with a dip in the rooftop pool, soak in the hot tub, nap in the cabanas, enjoy arcade games, or turn up the outdoor TV. Reliable internet, secure parking, video surveillance, and maintenance. Every essential is available here. The best part is that Purdue University and Indiana University School of Medicine, West Lafayette, are a short walk away, so campus is always within easy reach. Travel safely with the buses at River Road and Wood Street, Southeast Corner, and the Lafayette train station. Book the perfect student accommodation and university experience at Rise on Chauncey, West Lafayette, via amberstudent.com now.